Hello, my name is Dian Puspanggrani Simarmata. I'm from 11 Science 4, number 13. I'm gonna explain about passive voice. Contents. These contents may contain active and passive voice. What is passive voice? Pattern, example of passive to active and active to passive. Active and passive voice. First, we must know what is active and passive voice. Active voice, the subject to an activity or verb, often used for everyday conversation. This active voice mean kalimat yang subjeknya melakukan suatu kegiatan atau kata kerja, paling sering digunakan dalam percakapan sehari-hari karena bentuk rumusnya yang lebih mudah. Ditandai dengan verb yang memiliki arti awalan me atau be, misalnya memakan atau berenang. Yang kedua ada passive voice. The subject is the recipient of an activity or verb. Used if the subject isn't so important. Also used to change the focus from a sentence where the object is known to have more important activities. Passive voice means kalimat yang subjeknya adalah penerima suatu kegiatan atau kata kerja. Digunakan jika subjek atau pelaku utamanya tidak begitu penting. Di passive voice ini, suatu tindakan tidak memerlukan pelaku. Passive voice juga digunakan untuk mengubah fokus dari suatu kalimat di mana objek yang dikenai kegiatan lebih utama. Next, what is passive voice? So here is the example from active sentence become into passive sentence. Farhan takes English course every Thursday. Farhan as subject, takes as verb 1, English course as object, and every Thursday as verb of time. Di sini kita mengubah posisi dari kalimat English course menjadi kata pertama dalam kalimat, Farhan menjadi setelah kata kerja, dan takes di sini diubah menjadi to be plus verb 3. Verb 3 dari take adalah taken. Gitu. Jadi katanya yang asalnya Farhan takes English course every Tuesday menjadi English course is taken by Farhan every Tuesday. By Farhan ini juga tidak terlalu penting, jadi bisa kita hilangkan menjadi English course is taken every Tuesday. Next, pattern atau pola. Pattern. Every tense have a different pattern. Pattern from active voice or passive voice. Pattern from active voice is first subject plus verb. Meanwhile, passive voice, the pattern of passive voice is new subject plus to be plus verb 3. The example is present simple. My mother cooks dinner. Subjeknya berubah menjadi the dinner. Asalnya dinner jadi objek, di passive bisa menjadi subjeknya. The dinner is cooked. Is itu to be dari the dinner karena the dinner itu tunggal, dan cook adalah verb 3 dari cook. By my mother. Di sini by my mother-nya juga tidak begitu penting, jadi bisa dihilangkan. Begitu seterusnya. Kita juga bisa melihat tulisan yang berwarna biru itu tidak berubah dari aktif ke pasif maupun sebaliknya, sedangkan tulisan yang berwarna merah berubah dari aktif ke pasif, berubah menjadi verb 3. Next, example of passive to active and active to passive. So here is the example from active to passive and passive to active. The first one is active to passive. They canceled all the plans yesterday. Become All plans were cancelled yesterday. Di sini kata cancelled itu verb 2 dari cancel. Dan di sini jadi were cancelled. Were itu to be dari all plans. All plans itu jamak, lebih dari satu rencananya, jadi menggunakan were, kecuali kalau plannya hanya satu, menggunakan was. Di sini cancelled-nya itu verb 3 ya, tetap verb 3 pasifnya. Sedangkan cancelled yang di active itu verb kedua. Karena apa? Di sini menggunakan tense-nya itu simple past tense. Lalu kita lanjut ke passive to active. The gym has been opened by him since last week. He has opened the gym since last week. He-nya itu kita bisa dapatkan dari kata him sebelah sini. Has opened itu dari sini. Been, karena ini dari passive ke active. Been itu sebagai to be. Kita ke active, jadi dihilangkan sehingga di sini tidak ada lagi to be. Sedangkan di passive ini pasti ada. Jadi he has opened the gym since last week. Di sini menggunakan present perfect tense. Remember this. Note from passive voice. Modal plus be plus verb 3. Example will buy. Will be be-nya itu to be. Bought-nya itu verb 3 dari buy. Selanjutnya ada verb being plus verb 3. Sini buying. Being plus verb 3 dari buy di sebelah sini itu bought. Lalu selanjutnya ada has or had plus verb 3 become to be. Has or had been plus verb 3. The example is has or had bought become has or had been bought. Next. Okay, so until here the explanation from passive voice and some of active voice. My apologies if there are any wrong or incorrect pronunciation. So I think that's all. Thank you for listening and watching. See you next time. Bye bye.